drums, you normally like use at least almost everything in the song, but when he's playing, he's just using the hi-hat and the cymbals. Just those two most of the time, or he add a little kick or add a little snare now and then. Why?
Well, the fundamental part of jazz, right? But he's the best person to ask this question. But this is what you really need for jazz. The rest of the drum set, basically the color, right? Add color to what's happening.
The fundamental part of the drum set is the right cymbal, bass, snare, and the hi-hat. That's what carries the groove. Right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Actually, the most important part is actually the hi-hat. Alright? Because the snare drum is like for accents and that type of thing. That kind of colors the music and bears up it's like the way you speak. When you raise your voice and lower your voice and stuff like that, that's the part of this place. But the right cymbal that carries the constant right pattern. The hi-hat. That's really all you need to carry the rhythm, while the others are doing their thing.
The hi-hat became the new kick. Yeah, because normally, like
the kick, to explain the kick is always there, but it's not heavy.
yeah.
You do something what we call feathering, right? So as you see me play, if you come behind, if you come back here, you will see the kick is going, but it's going very, very, very light, and it keeps time to the bass. Because all of his notes are on the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now the only time you will hear the kick is if I play that kick.
How would the drum parts, rhythm for the blues differentiate with jazz?
What we're really doing right today in this class is an approach of the jazz version of a blues, right? But blues has a much earlier, you weren't here when he has started, you weren't here as yet, but he started where it really originated, where it's, in the United States and it's with slavery, and that's really where the men really started, and they started singing. And the only instruments really available to them, especially became very popular, was the guitar. And that's how you get a lot of slide playing start. But a lot of that playing, especially that you will find in the South, that we will call blues, is really not swinging like how he was swinging today. This is a jazz blues that we did today. Right? And they have different variations of the blues. Because we did that one, but we could have gone. Because the genre changes.
Yeah.
Right? And there's another drum pattern, then we have the shuffle blues.